Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan Snapcode from camera roll. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just go ahead and open up our Snapchat application right here. And I'm currently at the chats page, but you can also access this particular button at the camera page or your stories page. So the first thing that we're going to do is to click on this icon right here. That is a person icon with a plus icon right beside it. Just tap on that. And from here, you will be able to see Snapchat users you can add and also the users that have added you. But you can focus on this search bar right here. So in line with the search bar is this little Snapchat icon inside the box. So just click on that. And this is where you can actually scan a snap code from our camera roll or from your gallery. So you can just tap a photo with the snap code to add that particular Snapchat user. So I'm just going to tap on this little snap code right here from my camera roll, and Snapchat will scan that and it will immediately open up the Snapchat user's profile, and then you can just click on add friend right over here. If you want to add that particular friend, you can they also have suggested accounts right below it, and that is how you can basically scan Snapcode from camera roll. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.